Welcome to Always Occupied, home and product reviews. In this segment, we are going to go over this garden hose splitter. All right, I just did a video with my PSI, so I already have one of these. It's a two-way splitter. I never reviewed it, but I will give it 5 stars. All right, I don't even have to take this out the box. I already know what it is. I stick with the same brand because this is so easy. So let's open the box. These type of things don't come with instructions. All right, so this goes inside your spigot, and here you hook up your 4 garden hose. All right, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Now, the thing I love about this product, all right, this is called the VIVOSUN. All right, sorry about that. The VIVOSUN 4-way garden hose splitter. Of course, as usual, I'll drop a link in the description box. The thing I like about this is, you see this? Easy to turn. That's off. On. So easy. Tells you on and off. All right, so this is to close the valve, and I don't know if you can see in the middle right there, but you see it open. Now let me close it. Close. Open. All right, close. All right, simple. So we got them all closed, and I'll go to the side of the house and hook it up for y'all so y'all can see that this is a good product. Okay, so this is the old splitter I got. I just want to swap this out. Now, I'm gonna let you know, it's hard to turn. Okay, it's not as easy as this. This is just so easy. These ones is very hard. Oh, just turned the water on. Let me turn this off. All right. Release the pressure out of there. All right. All right, so out with the old, let's go in with the new. So if you don't know, this is a washer that's inside. It prevents it from leaking. Also, somebody said in the comment, why don't I put white tape on it? I never really used white tape on like garden hose stuff, but you know, it's a good idea to do it. I'm just not going to do it right now. Now, let's turn it on, and you have no leaks. Like I said, off. You see that? Easy. Easy. These are easy knobs to turn. All right, so you can leave this on, but don't forget in the winter or when it's freezing temperatures, make sure you turn the spigot off on the inside of your house. So let's hook our garden hose already back up. All right, now on. No leaks. On. No leaks. Let me know what y'all think, and like, comment, and please subscribe. And this is trash.